Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. Cause niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in us. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, 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 only stepping for a check. Stepper, 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 gotta step on niggas.
Yeah, we got these two. Look at my car. My car do look good. We got the goats here. Another banger, man.
We are feeling pretty good today, if you ask me.
I'm a little lit. I'm definitely.
Slay had that little drink. He had that water juice.
Oh, she scared me. So I didn't know what was going on. She almost ran away. I don't know.
Finally got to get out of LA. I know Billy likes
Yeah.
LA that y'all get to have a lot.
I hate LA.
It look like you was in a supercar pulling up.
For real?
I swear, with that color, that orange.
It's something like it's nothing
But it
crazy.
look like a supercar when you pulling up. Promise.
No, I appreciate that. It's different. It's different.
Yeah, it's
Oh wait, hold on,
And
wait.
you coupe though.
That coupe
You know,
life,
that coupe life, you know?
you gotta live the coupe life. All right, look, hold on. Let me see. Let me turn on my lights real quick. There we go. That's literally how I drive. Oh damn, my windshield should be darker though. So, all right.
Oh, he got some bird dookie. Yeah, we ain't missing that. It might look clean to the camera, boy, but goddamn.
I know. You see what happened was, I was supposed to wash the car, but after it came back from the airport, but you know, that was
they got you, bro.
That shit is dirty.
That shit look like Jello.
Yeah, I gotta tell you.
Great jam on you.
Yeah. Hey, brother. Hey. Damn, and on top.
And on top.
Oh, no. Oh, damn.
Reflection Detail did they thing, bro.
It's time for the rap now with them. It's,
They do some really good work. Really good work.
man, it's time for. He's
Evan's
somewhere.
gonna go flirt with the waiter.
Oh, that's which one? Which one?
Where?
Evan's at.
I don't know. That's just crazy.
We got these things lined up right now. You got Big Boy AMG, you got Big Boy C8 over there. You got
A big boy Honda. Fuck it, man. Fuck it. Yeah, big boy Honda over
you
here.
know what I'm saying?
And
Big Boy
Tesla.
Honda, you
And
know what I'm saying?
Tesla.
They ain't no average one.
Hell no, and Tesla.
No, and you going motors and pistons. And
Oh shit! Hey, it's fully built now. That,
Yeah.
Exactly why it's always broken. It's fully built.
Who built it?
Shit, myself and
Yourself.
shit.
That's why it's broke. Don't you do like them goddamn old people? Get drunk and try to fix on your own shit.
I be doing
All
that
right,
shit.
now. Hey, you want to put that Instagram on here? This guy waiting right here.
Oh, no, she left her ass, man. She left us.
Get it wrong. It's waitress, not waiter.
Waitress. Yeah,
No, but she left us. No, she left us.
you know I ain't mean
I know what you meant. My name is Samira.
He try to be slick. He think he's slick. All right, tell my peoples.
Yeah, you already
So
know.
follow me, it's Samira Bella, Samira _.
Oh, you Spanish?
Oh, you
Yes,
Spanish.
Afro
Damn,
Latina,
God.
baby.
A
Afro
whole-
Latina.
Oh damn, I like Spanish. I'm gonna follow you. Shit, I like Spanish. I like Spanish. I'll speak Spanish.
He put it straight out there. He
Yeah,
ain't gonna leave you hanging.
Nah, I ain't gonna do that.
So what's the fastest car you ever
The fastest car I've ever been in was a Lambo.
A Lambo.
Lambo, that's
yeah.
That's cool.
Fastest.
That's cool.
Fastest car was a Lambo.
You know what? Yes, the fastest bike, I rode 180 on I-10 once.
You tripping?
Shorts.
Yeah.
and a
You
tank top.
tripping?
We're
Wow.
not talking about bikes.
Okay,
We
no
scared of
bikes. Okay, no
Okay,
bikes.
I bet you. What Lambo was it? You probably don't know.
Don't even know. I just know
Did the
green.
doors go up?
They did. They did.
Oh, God. Okay, that's different. That's different. Yeah, everybody, that car fast. That car fast. That car fast. That car fast, everybody. That car is fast. The big door. If the doors go up, the car's fast.
The doors go up the car.
Yeah. Shit, my car don't do that. And my car, but remote start though, and it's quiet though. But I do have a remote start. He can't hear it, but hey. It's cool. It's all right. You too. Yeah, my car illegal as fuck. My car is illegal as hell. Shit. My car don't belong over here. In Orange County, I'm cool. In LA, and the hell, I'm fucked up here. Guarantee you, Josh is about to get stuck trying to leave. That front end splitter is no joke. Oh shit. He gonna get stuck. Do we got it? He got it. Yeah, Josh got it. I see Hellcat over there. That's nice. First of all, y'all, look. Josh got me on Rodeo, where I don't belong with my damn car. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, man. Come on, Josh. He trying to get my car impounded or something. No, I'm playing, but yeah. I'm not trying to get this shit impounded, boy. But yeah, it's we on Rodeo. How's it going? Good to you. We got that model action right there. Come on, that's all you, Josh. Yeah, Josh, do your thing, man. Do your thing, Josh. I ain't gonna lie, she might. I have to go sit back here with me. That's cool though. I don't know. Doubt it. Yeah. Unfortunately. What in the fuck is going on out here, man? It's some shit. I don't know. Alright, y'all. Oh, where'd he go? Alright, look. So Josh might get some ticks. So look, so she actually got dropped off.
Word.
Yes. Hey, alright now. Oh, where the hell Ro go?
He went to, I think he went to youth bathroom.
That's what I need to do. But yeah, he got this. Anyways, we got the whip right there. God damn. We got the whip right here. I definitely need new tires in the back. Definitely I'm cool. I got a cool mount in the back, but the more inside part is a little messed up. I definitely need new wheels. A delivery is coming soon. I just been busy and all that. I don't know where the hell Rel is
A
at.
bit more than that, actually.
Oh, you gotta go full force in this.
Full force. I don't think she's ready for
Wait, for what?
It's like,
In the car.
force in
Very
this.
close. They're like 5 minutes.
Can't do that.
that.
That's gonna be crazy.
yeah.
Damn, that's 2 for 2 with Infinity Doors.
I'd rather be stranded in the daytime. Somebody go
We are good to go.
Still going to Rodeo?
No, because it's
But no,
Check the time. My Paul Rich watch.
Dang,
I'm about to go to the hotel. I only had 45 minutes of sleep.
take picture with
Last
Wait, why?
I had to fly to Vegas last night for a meeting and fly back this morning.
Nice meeting you.
What's your name?
What's that?
What's your name?
Hyatt.
Is what?
They're from Africa.
Hyatt.
A
South
kayak?
Africa?
No, North Africa.
North Africa?
Oh, that's different.
Algeria. Yeah. Cool.
Oh, that's the big boy, the SC5 over there, the S63.
Yeah. It's next to Tunisia and Morocco.
Yeah, I'm familiar with it.
Oh, yeah.
That's
A
different.
lot of people here don't
Ah,
know.
yeah.
But because Morocco is more popular, so when I say Morocco, they go, oh, I see.
That's crazy.
Yep.
I'm sleeping. Yeah, we are good to go.
So y'all going to go to Rodeo?
I ain't take my car there. I leave my car here.
Bro.
That is a setup. That's set up my car. That's full setup right there. I mean, I'll go though. I ain't doing nothing anyway. I'll go.
That's crazy. They're from Africa.
I'll tell her it's like I'm not racist, but I've never seen non-black people from Africa.
You never met anybody that's
I met
Never.
one person.
Never.
a lot of people
And you hear
from
the
South
accent?
Africa.
I've never heard the accent like
I
Yeah, it sounds
look.
like Russian to
If you tell you from Africa, I would expect. I would expect you to be
that. Okay, I see.
brown.
Yeah.
You know Charlize Theron is
Or like
from South Africa.
Wait, for real?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
You didn't know that?
Hell no.
Charlize Theron. You know who Charlize Theron is, right?
So bad with names.
I'll see you guys later.
I'm sure if I saw a picture, I would.
Extremely tight, and I don't have my bracelet.
Fuck that brace. Hey, and
like
shit.
that,
I'm 4 games in the 4 years of the game with no brace.
Well, you saw how we were driving with DDE all week.
Okay, yeah. It was a little crazy.
Evans wasn't keeping up.
I mean, you ain't keep up all weekend.
Wait, you remember that?
we was cruising at like 100 or something.
Cruising at 100 and something.
At 50.
Speed limit. Yeah, there you go.
At 50, I ain't stitching myself.
I only got one on.
y'all got it?
Oh shit. Hell nah. You're going off the curb. You're about to go off the curb.
I mean, keep going if you got it. Let me check.
If should go off the curb. Let's go this way. It's like full empty over there.
It's been sitting there, huh?
I just
Are you okay, ma'am? I ain't even ask if she has a coupe life. Yeah, exactly. See, let's go that way.
that is
Easier.
crazy. I never seen.
I've never seen a non.
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with Jamendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. These niggas on me begging that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in. I gotta watch my tempo. Step a step a step up.